Sarojini Naidu. Sarojini Naidu was born on 13th February 1879 in Hyderabad. Sarojini Naidu's birthday is celebrated as National Women's Day of India on every year. Sarojini Naidu was the first woman to become the governor of state India. She was also known as Nightingale of India. Sarojini was very intelligent and poem writer. She was the eldest daughter of her parents. She governed Uttar Pradesh from 1947 to 1949. Sarojini died on March 2, 1949. In 1925, Sarojini Naidu was appointed the president of the Indian National Congress. She went to South Africa as the representative of India in 1932.